In this video, we're going to do a paired students t-test. So this is data taken from the same individuals. So we have the equation here. It requires the mean of the differences, the standard deviation of the differences. This will become clearer in the example we're going to do, and the number of pairs. So this test is used when the two categorical groups include the same individuals, as mentioned before. Each measurement in one group is paired with a measurement in another group, and both groups should be the same size. So if we do this example, an investigation was done to examine the effect of exercise on heart rate. 8 individuals' heart rates were recorded before and after skipping for 3 minutes. At 7 degrees of freedom, the critical value is 3.499 and 1% significance. So I've added this in because this value is from a data table at 7 degrees of freedom, 1% significance, and I haven't printed off the data table. So we're given heart rate at rest and after exercise, so we need to find the difference. We're going to find the positive difference because it's a bit easier to work with. So 125 minus 68 is 57. 119 minus 65 is 54. 137 minus 75 is 62. 132 minus 79 is 53. 129 minus 72 is 57. 123 minus 69 is 54. 127 minus 71 is 56. And 131 minus 67 is 64. So now that we've got the differences, we need to find out the mean and the standard deviation. So we're going to use a calculator. We go on menu, statistics, and we go on one variable. And then we input our differences. So 57, 54, 62, 53, 57, 54, 56, and 64. And then we click option, one variable calc. So our mean is 57.125 and our standard deviation is 3.94. So if we return back to the calculator, so then we're going to use our equation up here. Let's calculate the t value. So t equals 57.125 multiplied by root, and that's the number of individuals we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all divided by the standard deviation, which we calculated as 3.94. So we get a value of 57.125 times root 8 over 3.94. Get a value of 41.0. So we've got our test value. So what we should have done at the beginning of the example, which I forgot to do, was write a hypothesis. So we have a null hypothesis, and the null hypothesis will be that there's no significant difference between the mean heart rate before and after exercise. So there is no So you always have to write null and alternative hypotheses when doing statistical tests. Before, after exercise. So the alternative will be that there is a significant difference. So comparing our critical value to our test value, we'll write a statistical conclusion. So the value of 41 is more than the critical value of, we were at 3.499. So obviously we can change this percentage level of significance if we were to do a test like this again. because 41 is way above 3.4999. The value of 41 is more than the critical value of 3.499, so the difference between the mean heart rates is significant. This means we reject the null hypothesis as there is a significant difference. And that's it. That's how you do a paired student t-test.